Hello again on my YouTube channel. I have some fresh updates for you from iMarketing and inb.network. We have new updates in the money transfer methods area, more exactly at the Ethereum and TRC20. They have updated the withdrawal commissions and the transfer wallets. Regarding Ethereum, the commission from now on is $5, and the company accepts only MetaMask, Exodus, and Koinoni wallets. As for the TRC20, it only accepts the Tronlink Pro wallet and Exodus. Let's see, I have signed up in my iMarketing account to check the new updates. Let's see, Ethereum, yes, it is written to send funds to the crypto wallet. You need to enter a personal cold wallet address like Exodus, MetaMask, or Koinoni. Do not use smart contract addresses like those provided by exchanges and payment processors. Smart contract addresses may not be able to process the incoming transfer correctly. We see that the fee now is $5. What is good to know that any amount you will write here, 100 or 1,000, it will always be the same fee. Okay, let's check now the TRC20. Yes, it is updated. Also, you need to use Tronlink wallet or Exodus for Tether TRC20 operations. Koinoni and other popular wallets do not support TRC20 transactions for USDT Tether TRC20. Okay, let's see Bitcoin, for example. Okay, we see that Bitcoin and other methods continue as before. Okay, and now let's check my inb.network account. So if you check Bitcoin, we see no upgrade, but if we check Ethereum, the same message as on iMarketing, TRC ERC20, the same. Normally, you may not use this method yet, but the update on these two money methods indicates that withdrawals will be possible soon. And by this update, we see that the company is working. This is for now. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching my videos. I see you in my next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to hit the bell button so when I upload a new video, you will get notified. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.